OpenAI just launched GPT-Live, and it can listen and talk at the same time inside ChatGPT. Starting today, it's rolling out on iOS, Android, and ChatGPT.com, and it uses full duplex voice, so you can interrupt it, pause, jump back in, and hear little replies like while it listens. It can also hand hard questions to GPT 5.5 in the background, so it keeps chatting while it checks facts or does deeper thinking. Paid users get GPT-Live 1. Free users get GPT-Live 1 Mini. And the older advanced voice mode still stays for video and screen sharing. OpenAI also says the voices were remastered. The model handles noise better.
Can you recommend a good place to eat, honey?
Oh, absolutely. What are you in the mood for?
And it has real-time safety checks that can even stop a bad conversation mid-sentence. This is the first time ChatGPT has started sounding less like a tool and more like a person, and that is honestly wild.